Hello students, welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. Hi students, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Yes? Okay, fine. So don't forget about the precautions of COVID-19 because you all know that COVID-19 is spreading very rapidly. So take necessary precautions and take care of your family also and yourself also, which is must and should. Okay, so don't forget. And we are in our topic HCF and LCM in the basic level of mathematics. So in basic level of mathematics I have started a new chapter, that is HCF and LCM. In that HCF and LCM, before finding the HCF and LCM, I said that we need to know some important concepts, that is first divisibility rules, afterwards finding prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, those are very important while finding HCF and LCM. Okay, so now already I have explained how to find out HCF and LCM in general method, but I said that it is not possible always to use the general method, and there are certain methods of finding HCF and LCM. So first let us find out HCF by using our methods. So method 1 is prime factorization method for finding HCF. So HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, HCF by prime factorization method. For suppose we are taking, okay, let us take 32, 64 and 128. I want to find the HCF of 32, 64 and 128 by prime factorization method. How it is possible? So first take 32. I hope 32 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 ones 2, 12 remains, 2 6 12. So again 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. Prime factorization means only prime numbers we have to use here while doing LCM. Okay, so again 64, second number. So 64 again 2 table. Why? Because 64 is even number. I said that all even numbers are divisible by 2. So 64 means 2 32 times, 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, 2 2 times, 2 1 time. Understood? So this is for 64. Next for 128. Okay, so again 2 table. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. So again 2 32, 2 16, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s and 2 1s. Okay, so now first let us write all these in our expanded form. So 32 is equal to, how many times 2 is repeated here? 5 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next 64. 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 6 times. Next 128. 128 means how many times? 2 into 2 into 2. 7 times, I hope so, right? So 7 times we have to write 2. Okay, so now what we have to do means first round off all the common factors. So 2 first time, 2 second time, 2 third time, 2 fourth time and 2 fifth time. Okay, so I have to write HCF is equal to, so how many times I have got 2 in common here? 5 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 to 2 into 2. So what is that? 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 16, 16 2 is 32. So 32 is my HCF of 32, 64 and 128. Understood? So this is how to find out HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, let us see one more example for prime factorization method. Afterwards we will discuss one more method. So first let us see one more. So I am taking 21, okay, whatever we want we can take. Okay, 63 and okay, I will take 75. Yes, now I want the factor prime factorization. I mean factors HCF of these three numbers 21, 63 and 75. Okay, so let us find out now. Whatever the numbers we want we can take, but always same not possible. That's why I am taking first 21. 3 7s 21, 7 1 7. Why? Because two table it is not possible. This is not even number, right? That's why. Again 63. 63 again 3 table. Why? Because 3 is there. 3 is there means it is not even number, so not divisible by 2. So 3 table. 3 2 6. 3 1s 3. So again 3 7s 21. 7 1s 7. Okay. So again now, sorry, 25. 75. So for 75, which table? 2 table? No, it is not even number. 3 table? Yes. Why? Because check the sum of digits here. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 3 table will get 12. So 3 ones. 3 2 6. 15 remains. 3 5s 15. Okay. Now 25 means directly 5 table. 5 5s 25. 5 ones 5. Understood? So now first let us write all these numbers. So 21 is equal to 3 into 7. 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. So what is the common factor here? Yes, 3 is common in all the three. And 7 is common only in two numbers. So we should not take 7 there. Understood? Two numbers common is there means we should not take. Always we have to take 3 numbers common definitely. Clear? Then only we will get the HCF. So HCF is equal to 3. Understood everybody? So what is the HCF of 21, 63 and 75? Is 3. Which method this is? Prime factorization method. Okay. Next, we will go to our next method, continue division method. Okay. So HCF by continued division method. Okay, HCF by continued division method. How to do? Let us see now. So the same example I will take 32, 64 and 128. Okay, so how to do continued division method? So 32, first two numbers I will divide. 64. So 32 table 64. 32 into 2. 2 2 4. 2 3 6. So 64. So 2 times 64. So directly I am getting remainder 0. So directly 32 is divisible by 64. Next what we have to do means either 64 with 128 or 32 with 128. Okay. So let me take 32 with 128. Okay. So 32 with 128. Okay, let us continue the table now. 32 into 3. 3 2 6. 3 3 is 9. 32 into 4. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. So 4 times I am getting 128, right? So, okay. So this is the remainder 0 here and also for 0 remainder here. For which divisor I got? 32. Therefore, HCF is equal to 32. Understood? This is how we have to do continue division method. Okay, for this we got directly, but let us see the one more example which we have taken 21, 63 and 75. Okay, let us see that now. Then you can understand clearly how to do HCF. Okay, so now my second example 21, 63 and 75. Okay, so now first 21 with 63 we will do. Okay, so 21 into 2 is 42. 21 into 3, 3 1 3, 3 2 6. So 63. How many times? 3 times. So 21 3 is 63. So remainder is 0. Okay, so this is HCF by continued division method. So here also we are getting directly, but how about this one? Okay, let us do 21 with 75, if not 63 with 75. However, we can't cut this. Okay, for my convenience I am taking 21 with 75. Okay, so 21 4s, we continue the table 4 4 1 4 4 2 8. So 84 means more than 75, not possible. So I will take 3 times 63. Right? Subtraction. Okay. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1. So 12. So 12 now becomes the divisor, and 21, whatever the divisor is there, that becomes the dividend here. Understood everybody? Whatever the divisor here, that becomes, okay. Here not possible for me to complete the table. I mean to complete the division. That's why I am doing here beside. Once again 21 with 75. Okay. So 21 75. Again 21 3s 63. Okay. So here 12 is the remainder. So when the 12 we are getting here, then what you have to do means take this divisor as the dividend here. So 12 with 21. So not possible. 12 to 24. So 12 once 12 again. Okay. So subtraction again. Borrow. 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. So again 9 is the divisor and 12 becomes the dividend. Understood? So 9 table. 9 ones 9. Okay. Yes. Again 12 minus 9 is 3. So 3 becomes divisor and 9 becomes dividend. So 3 3s 9. Okay. So here we are getting 21. But here we are getting 3. We want the smallest divisor, right? So what is the smallest divisor? 3. Therefore HCF is equal to 3. Understood? This is how we have to do division. I mean HCF by continued division method. Okay. So students, this is the basic level of finding HCF by prime factorization and continued division method. Yes, which is helpful for learning HCF and LCM when you are a beginner in mathematics. Understood? So try to practice this type of problems and find out HCF and LCM. Okay, first find out HCF by using these two methods, prime factorization and continued division methods. Okay, so this is my topic for today about HCF, finding HCF by prime factorization and continued division method. Hope you like my video. If you really like my video, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye.